Hi guys, it's Angie here, and I just want to do a quick haul. What I got a couple weeks ago from Esme's shop, Crafty Me Shop. She is on Facebook. It's a Facebook group called Crafty Me Shop, and she has a sale every Friday, and she sells the most amazing things: trinkets, laces, trims. Some of them are Italian, French. It's amazing. This time I purchased a kit and she included this amazing beautiful cookie inside of it that her and her sister designed, and it's from out of this world. Anyways, I haven't opened it yet. I thought I would share it just so you can see how amazing and how different her store really is and how she sells one-of-a-kind things. This is her beautiful packaging, by the way. This is the things that you get when you order from Esme. I mean, they are just amazing. Like, her packaging, it's just so fun to open. Like I said, it's like Christmas. And she really takes the time to, put everything together for you. So we're going to open it real quick. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful letter or music note sheet in this kit. How cool is that? And then she has it packed so beautifully. Oh my gosh, and I think this is the beautiful cookie in here. Oh my goodness. Like, seeing it in pictures is, sorry for the crinkling, guys. I just want to be really careful. I know opening is not fun to watch, but I just wanted you guys to see the excitement on my face when I get it open. Oh my gosh. Better be careful. You are going to just be amazed at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Esme. Look at this cookie. You guys, it's bigger than two of my hands. Oh, and there's the information. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. True art. True art right here. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, Esme, I can't eat this cookie. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but oh my gosh, I want to preserve this so bad. This is a lovely, lovely, beautiful cookie. And then here at the bottom is, a print of that cookie. And look at that, they drew it out by hand. I love this form of artwork. This is totally me and why I was drawn so, I love this kit. This is what drew me in right here. The different things that she sells and does and how different she is. And she's a true artist. Wow, I love this. I can't wait to do something with this. But this is the elements that she sent in with the kit. And so you get a bunch of little trinkets and, sorry for that, guys. All that comes in the kit. You get your beads and roses and I'll just turn it this way so you guys can just admire this amazing cookie. And trims. Look at this trims. And this is all from her shop. Look at this. So you can pretty much replicate this on this, piece right here with all these trims and laces. And just, let your imagination run wild on this. Beautiful flowers and sequins. Oh my gosh. And strings of pearls and pom-poms. And like I said, a little bag of pearls and acrylic flowers and roses and bling in there. Look at the bling. She really goes above and beyond for these amazing little kits. Again, just look at this, you guys. How cool is that? Just amazing. Thank you so much, Esme, for having such cool kits in your shop. I'm totally a sucker for it. I always tell her that my PayPal should be like on automatic withdraw to her shop because I just love everything. Thank you again, Esme, for the amazing kit that you put out. I adore you. Love it.